It's manifestation happy hour. Yes, it's manifestation happy hour. Today, for this beautiful happy hour, we are going to focus on feeling our vibration. So grab your favorite drink. Mine today is a beautiful protein shake. If you haven't tried this, this is a new fave. This is a new fave. Take a beautiful deep breath in and letting it go. Another deep breath in and letting it go. And one of the biggest things about receiving your manifestations is knowing that there are processes to it. Shahakadarakashi. And one of the big processes is embodiment. And that's what we're going to do today. And an easy way for you to embody your next level manifestation is simply through frequency and allowing yourself to feel that it's already been received. So let's take a little bit of a Shakadarakashi, a moment, and call in something that you are desiring to manifest and place it right in your heart. Place it right in your heart. So whether it be a home, money, partner, better health, whatever it is, place it right in your heart and take 2 deep breaths in and out. Let it go. Take another deep breath in. Let it out. And just with those breaths, we're breathing light into our manifestations. And now I would invite you to take that manifestation and place it in your third eye, Sharakahakadarakashi, in the top of your crown. So you could see it right here, Sharakahakadarakashi, and then right at the top of your head, allowing you Sharakahakadarakashi, Shinikinakashi. And just breathe into your third eye in your crown. And what's happening is we're simply getting your body primed to feel safe and comfortable to receive this. So now we're going to take this beautiful manifestation and we're just going to place it in your throat chakra. And just take a deep breath into your throat chakra. And your body, as we're putting this beautiful desire into your frequencies, your chakras, Shahakanakashi, your body is settling in, getting more connected to it, aligned to it, Shahakanakashi, and you may feel a nice settling feeling, Shahakanakashi. Now placing your beautiful manifestation into your solar plex, right in the middle of your stomach, and breathing in, holding there, and letting go. Really wrapping that power around opening up the space to receive it. Now placing that beautiful manifestation in your sacral. Take a deep breath in. And sacral right under your belly button. Hold. Good, let it go. Perfect. And now we're going to take that beautiful manifestation, place it in your root chakra, right in your pelvic area. Take a deep breath in, grounding into that space, and release and relax. Now we're going to set the intention that these beautiful manifestations are not only ingrained in your front chakras, but also your back chakras, working, co-creating simultaneously together to help really magnetize the frequency to the universe. So now with simply placing these beautiful divine images and words of your manifestation, it's a frequency. So your whole being is connecting to that frequency of receiving this, and now you're offering that vibration that you feel safe and ready to receive this. Shahakanakashi. And you might say, okay, Melissa, how long is it going to take to me to receive it? Shahakanakashi. And that's where Shahakanakashi, it all depends on you. Because now with this beautiful embodiment activity, the next thing is allowing your identity to match that. So say if you are calling in a home, you are looking at homes, you are viewing homes, you are, looking at your financials, and you're taking all the steps to be the version of you that allows that beautiful home to come in. right? Shakadarakashi, if you are manifesting more clients, then you are making sure that you have your beautiful service to, promote and expand with. Shakadarakashi, you're marketing it, you're sending the emails, you're posting the beautiful posts. Shakadarakashi, or you're sending flyers, depending on what type of business you have. Shakadarakashi, you're actively embodying the version of you, Shakadarakashi, that already exists as that Shakadarakai, that Kaikiniki aspect of self. Take one more deep breath in. Shakadarakashi. And the more, every single day, the more that you take steps to become that version of you, that identity of you, that's when you collapse. Time. Shakadarakashi. And I'll give you one story. This is how I manifested my Mercedes, Shakadarakashi. Every day I would feel into the energy and visualize this energy, connecting my energy field to being the version of me that drove that car, Shakadanakashi. And then on that next level, I would do embodiment practices by Shakadarakai, going on the website and, creating what I wanted, creating the model, picking up the color, Shakadanakashi. And then the next level of that, I would go and test drive the cars, Shakadanakashi. And then on the financial aspects, I was really setting the intention that I am a beautiful divine female, and that my business creates Shakatarakai over 5 figures monthly and always something better. And I just continuously, made sure that all of my offerings were able to illuminate that level. I was making sure that I was promoting my offerings. I was making sure that I was creating space for beautiful clients to come in, and it was easy for clients to come in, Shahakananakashi. So I was working simultaneously to, 1, identify as that beautiful soul that drives the Mercedes, and 2, also receive the money to purchase the Mercedes. But I want to go one step deeper. When I first thought about manifesting a Mercedes, Shakadarakashi, something came up inside of me. And what came up was very ancestral. And it was, who am I to drive a Mercedes? And what would people think of me if I drove a Mercedes? And I had to realize that my desire to drive a luxury car is not for anyone else but myself. Shakadarakashi. And the moment that I allowed myself to connect to that, those old thoughts, those old beliefs, those old frequencies that kept me out of alignment started to disappear. Shakadarakashi. And then I manifested my beautiful divine Mercedes SUV. Shakadarakashi. Darakadarakashi. Let me know, what is your takeaway from this? Let me know what you're manifesting as well. And if you want to go deeper into manifestation, this Sunday, November 16th, we are having a manifestation party, Shahakanarakashi. And I'm teaching you and guiding you how to manifest through frequency, Shakadarakashi. So we're going to go deeper into these beautiful practices so that you can be in true alignment with your desires with more ease and more grace, Shakadarakashi. Literally allowing your being to code yourself in the truest frequencies that will bring you your manifestations. So if this sounds juicy and delicious to you, all you have to do is click the link in my bio, Shomakadarakashi Nikishi, and I will see you on Shakadarakashi Sunday. And if you are unable to make it because it's at 12 p.m. PST, there will be a replay that will come within 24 hours. Shakadarakashi, Shomakadarakanai, Kadarakashi. And thank you for hanging out in Manifestation Happy Hour. And I wish you the biggest blessings and the most ease to receive all that you desire. Shakadarakashi. See you soon. Mwah. Shakadarakashi.